Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Neil from Logan. Today we are going to do an art project using recycled materials. Are you excited? Yes? Awesome. These are the things that we need. A toilet paper tube or a paper towel tube like this, a marker, scissors, and if you have paint, that would be great because then you can paint your tubes. But I don't have paint, so I'm going to use my colored tape for decorating it. I also need some aluminum foil like this. Do you know what we're going to make? Yes? Ta-da! We're making a microphone. La 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 la. This is for our music and movement songs. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, first you're going to decide, do you want to make a long microphone or a short microphone? If you want to do to make a long microphone like this, then you don't have to do anything to your paper towel tube. If you want to make a short microphone, you can either use a toilet paper tube like this, or you can cut your paper towel tube in half and then use that. Now, make sure that you ask a grown-up to help you cut it, okay? If you need to cut it. Now that you've decided which one you're gonna make, I'm gonna make a paper towel tube, a really long microphone, okay? We're going to decorate it. You can paint it, which would be easier. You can use markers or crayons to color it. You can use stickers to decorate it. It's up to you. My choice today is to use colored tape to decorate it, okay? I'll show you. I'm going to get the green tape and I'm going to put it over like this. I'm going to, and then cut this end. Oopsie. Make sure you ask a grown-up to help you cut it. Uh-oh. This tape is hard to cut. It's too sticky. I'm just going to pull it off. There you go. And then I'm going to use another color. I got purple right here. I'm going to have a green and purple microphone. I'm going to cover the other side. Whoopsie! Got stuck. There you go. That one didn't cover the whole thing, but that's okay. There you go. Now, I can cover this side too. I think I'm going to use purple. I like the purple. If you have 3 colors of tape, you can do that too. If you don't have tape, like I said, it's best if you paint it because then you can put your other decorations on it. There you go. I covered this up. Now, we are going to draw, using our marker, the microphone buttons. Remember, a microphone has buttons to turn it on and off. So we're gonna draw that. You can make it into whatever shape you want. I'm gonna do maybe a rectangle. Remember, a rectangle has 2 long sides. This is a long side and then another long side, and then it has 2 short sides. 1 and 2. There you go. And then my microphone has an on button and an off button. I'm going to use circles for my buttons, okay? 1 circle and 2 circles. There you go. You can even write your name on your microphone if you want. I'm going to write my name on the other side. I'm going to write Mrs. Neil. There you go. I wrote my name. Now the microphone handle is ready. We have to make the thing that I forgot what it's called, the one where you talk into the microphone. We are going to do that first with the paper. You're going to get the paper and you're going to crumple it into a ball. And then you're going to put it there inside. You're going to decide which one's the top and the bottom. I think I'll use this one as the top. Put it inside, like a shape of a ball. And then you're going to get your foil, cut it out. I'm going to fold it a little bit. You can fold it like maybe once or twice like this shape. And then I'm going to put it on top, and you're gonna cover the microphone. You see it? The reason why I did this was because I wanted the microphone to have like a shiny top. There you go. That's my microphone. You can do it any way you want. If you want like an elongated one here, like the one I did here, this one has a longer side. That's okay. It's up to you because it's your project. Just make sure that you're using your imagination. See? My microphone is ready. Now I can sing. I'm going to turn it on. Doop. Hi, everyone. It works. I have 2 microphones and I feel so happy because I can play music and I can sing and I can use my microphone. I hope you had fun making our microphones. I'll see you again in another video. Goodbye.